It's that time again, folks, where it's Halloween and it's time for us to carve ourselves up a pumpkin. Nice little pointy nose, nice scary eyes. Now, I could actually put a ring coming out of his nose and could be a pumpkin. I think he looks suitably stupid and crazy enough, that one.
Self-portrait?
Self-portrait. Yeah, no, he needs probably less hair. So we're going to start with our top. Give us a nice, perfect circle there. To cut out our top, we're going to use our keyhole saw and we're going to cut it on a slight angle. Okay, now we'll just take the top off. Have a look at that. Bingo. Okay, now we just need to hoon out all the pumpkin brains. So I think I'll just get the hand in there. Pumpkin hand Pete. They used to call me Johnny Pumpkin Hands. Without even the finger on the trigger, we're just going to push the blade in. Safety goggles on. There we go. That's one pumpkin eating grin if I ever seen it. You need a floss bed. We'll just give that a wee little clean up and we're just about there. All we need to do is take our battery operated tea light candle, plonk that in, put the plug in on top. That really was scary as.